Transform your backyard into a low-maintenance, stylish retreat without the stress of endless upkeep. Welcome to Relax Gardens, where we bring you the best backyard landscaping ideas that are easy, stylish, and water-saving. Whether you are a busy homeowner or just love smart, simple designs, you are in the right place. Stick around as we explore creative ways to keep your garden beautiful with minimal effort. And before we dive in, don't forget to support our channel, subscribe, like, and share so you never miss out on more relaxing garden inspiration. Now, let's begin your journey to a stunning, stress-free outdoor space. Creating a beautiful backyard does not have to mean endless hours of work. With a few simple, low-maintenance landscaping ideas, you can design a space that looks stylish while saving time and water. Start by choosing hardy, drought-tolerant plants that thrive with little care. They'll keep your garden green and colorful all season long. Add mulch around flower beds to lock in moisture and reduce weeding. For a modern, easy look, use gravel pathways or stone borders to define spaces without constant upkeep. And if you're short on time, container gardens and vertical planters are perfect space-saving solutions. These small changes not only cut down on watering and maintenance, but also create a backyard that feels calm, inviting, and effortless. A low-maintenance backyard is not just about saving time. It's about creating a relaxing outdoor space where you can truly unwind. With easy, stylish, and water-saving ideas, your garden becomes more than just landscaping. It becomes your personal retreat. Imagine evenings surrounded by greenery, vibrant blooms, and a design that feels effortless yet stunning. These simple choices bring beauty without the burden of constant care. If today's ideas inspired you, make sure to subscribe to Relax Gardens, hit the like button, and share this video with fellow garden lovers. Your dream backyard is closer than you think, and it all starts with taking the first step toward a peaceful, stress-free garden design.